In this tutorial, we will learn how to do posting for the goods issue for a particular outbound delivery. Choose the shipping space, select Manage Outbound Deliveries app, select for goods issue, enter the shipping point, choose Execute. Based on the specified selection criteria, list of deliveries available for good issue to be posted displays. Select the outbound delivery for which you want to post the good issue. Click on Post Good Issue. Here we can select the date for actual goods issue. Today's date has been selected already. Click on Continue. A success message indicates the goods movement is completed. We have successfully posted goods issue. Thank you.